Alright, let's do it. If you're not convinced about snow tires, I think you're dumb. This is holding up pretty well. Look how deep the snow is, man. I'm just plowing through it. Just making sure none of my plastics are falling off. My license plate bent from the snow. One of these plastics was a little loose. Sure it's not completely ripped off. Yeah. Looks good. This bitch rips. Get yourself some snow tires, man. Literally any car can be good in the snow. But get good snow tires. Don't get cheap snow tires. Cheap snow tires are just all-season tires with deep sides. You need good rubber, dude. Look at this, even in all the snow, rubber, still soft. Look at that. Still completely soft, squishy. That's what you want, and that's how you get good grip. Alright, let's head home.
Do you have your passport? Did you get your driver's